This is video number 1 of many that I've been just procrastinating on doing, and I just wanted to say hi, introduce myself, and tell you a little bit about me before I start helping people just have a little bit easier time with Eaglesoft, and maybe teach you some tricks and understand the program a lot more, especially if you've never gotten any training. So again, my name is Dan Burelle. I've been a software trainer for Patterson since 2000. I retired from them in 2014 and went out on my own, and had the wonderful privilege of meeting offices all across this beautiful country. I was also a practice master seminar trainer. And my goal starting today is to help everyone who maybe is not getting support anymore. Maybe you have new staff. Maybe you just find Eaglesoft difficult. My old expression has always been that it's not difficult, it's just different. And so with that in mind, being able to train so many offices and having the privilege there of getting to see exactly where the problems lie, I want to go ahead and bring that onto this medium and help people out. So a couple of things I just want to talk about is one of the things about Eaglesoft that I've always liked is that you can get to anywhere that you need to get to in Eaglesoft from anywhere in the software. The only place that doesn't happen is going to be when you are in the edit patient box. And as I start doing some videos, I'm going to have some screenshots up and show everyone exactly what I mean by that. I just wanted this to be somewhat of an intro video today, and I hope to be putting out at least 2 a week. So if you're looking for something specific on needing how to do things, now again, I'm not affiliated with Patterson anymore, but I do feel that there's still a need for this kind of interaction. You do have support, and if you do have support, they're great. You can call them up and they'll walk you through it. I just wanted to use this medium to kind of get to a lot of people who maybe just want to watch a quick little video and not have to research it or things of that sort. So I'm going to keep this short right now, but if you are interested in knowing more about the dental software and maybe some tricks besides that, then do me a favor and go ahead and subscribe and click on that little bell at the very bottom, so when I put out new content you'll be notified. Also, if you like the video today, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Listen, I appreciate you sharing your most valuable asset with me today, and that is your time. Thank you again, and we'll see you in the next video.